Good evening, Gary Bartlett, your personal estate agent. So today I'm in the popular south side of Sittingbourne to show you today's feature property, which is this property just behind me. Spacious 4-bedroom detached family home. Can't wait for you to see inside. Let's go and have a look. One of the things I love about this home is a real family social home. I mean, just look at this kitchen. You've got everything in here, even a breakfast bar. Wait till you see the size of the living room and the dining room. Well, go on, have a look. So for more information, please give me a call on 07834 97778. Look forward to speaking to you soon.